Okay, bro. So, I just want to give you some guidelines, how to, start improvising on some praise song, okay, praise rhythm. So, basically, the whole stuff is at first, you need to know your progressions, okay? The whole stuff is at first, you need to know your progression at first. You need to try and know your progression because knowing your progression is very vital, okay, when it comes to improvisation, okay, in press section, when it comes to improvisation in press section, okay. So but uh, the thing is, most time your scale position, okay, really matters, okay. Your scale position, your fingerings position really matter, okay. Stuff like okay, all those stuff, okay. Those stuff really matters, okay, when it comes to precision. So I just want to play this song so that you can listen to how I play the song, okay. Okay, bro. So, like, I believe you can hear what I just played there.